So guys, in today's class, I'm going to show you how to register, verify, and fund your Optimus by Invest app. Now this is so easy, and this is an app that you can use to invest your money step by step. Now without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into business and let us get started. All right. So the very first step is to actually visit the Play Store, and you find it over here. All right. And once you come to your phone, you find your Optimus by Invest already downloaded, and this is exactly how it looks like. All right. Now once you open it up, there are very simple steps that you have to take. All right. For example, the very first step is that once you have checked into the app, you can either click on next or skip. All right. So you can read all the instructions step by step. So I'm going to click on next. All right. When you click on next, you go over to the next place. You click on next again, and then finally you can sign up. All right. Signing up is practically very easy. So what you have to do is just click on sign up. Now your sign up page, what you have to do is put in your mail. All right. There's a space for putting in your mail. So you write your mail correctly, your phone number, your password, and your referral code. All right. So my referral code will be in the description. You can use my referral code to register. Now you click on this ticky box and you click on create an account. Simple. Now, one very important thing here is creating your password. Now, when you are creating your password, you have to be very careful because password works in a very smart way. So you can see there are different options here. There are different criteria here for your password. You need to select at least 8 characters. You must have an uppercase letter, have a lowercase letter, have a number, and of course a special character. That means you can write your name and then you put a full stop at the end of your name. Make sure a letter has make sure you also add a number so you can create a great password. For example, if your name is calendar, all right, so you can just write calendar. You can put 5, or you can put 5 at the end, and then you put full stop so that you can create a password that is allowed. So not all passwords are allowed here. All right. So I'll go through all the steps again. You must have 8 characters. It must have an uppercase letter, which means a capital letter must be on your password. And then of course, you must have a lowercase letter, which is just easy. So a lot of people will be able to create their passwords very fast because it is sometimes not easy to create passwords on these particular platforms. All right. So once you have done that, you will find this area where you can, they would have sent a 6-digit code to your email. So you come here and put down your 6-digit code. It is just going to be very easy. Go to the email you have put in on your registration page, and you put in the 6-digit code you find in your email. Type it inside this area. So once you have entered it, this is what you find. The first step is to create a PIN for your app. So to create a PIN, all you have to do is to, click on create PIN and put any 4-digit PIN that you like or that you can remember. So you can just type in any 4-digit PIN of your choice on this area, and then you find that your PIN has been created successfully. You click on got it, and it's just practically very easy from this stage. Now I know you're enjoying it. All right. So the next step is to verify your phone number. So you just click on verify now. So when you click on verify your phone number, they are going to send you a code to your phone number, and of course you put in your phone number over here. Then it will be verified immediately. You type in the code, it will be verified immediately. All right. Very easy and simple step. Click on got it and verified. All right. Now the next step is to take a deep breath. All right. Now the next step on this area is to verify your BVN. So you must have a BVN. If you're in Nigeria, you must have a BVN. So you put in your BVN correctly, and once you put in your BVN, you click on verify. All right, this takes very few minutes, and before you know it, you to be verified immediately. So you can see BVN successfully verified. All right. Now, if you have passed this stage, we are going straight to the next stage quickly, and you are already coming close to the end. So you can see there are different stages of your verification. There's for BVN, there's for identity verification, where you can put in your valid identification number, maybe valid proof of address, and then you can put in your income, trading experience, next of kin details, and add a withdrawal account. Simple. These are the 5 stages of your verification process. All right. So the identity verification, I think you can use your NIN, but I used my international passport for this one. You can see it takes just very few minutes, like 2 minutes. You can see identity document. So for the identity document, I submitted my international passport. You can use your NIN slip, and this is just practically very, very easy to do. All right. So there's international passport, the national ID card, driver's license, and voter's card. These are the 4 steps. So you're going to enter into your gallery, select the picture of your identity document, which means you must have snap your identity document, select the picture, and then you send to them immediately to be verified. You can see very few seconds, in fact. All right. So it is just practically very easy. Select the picture from your gallery and submit. Okay. Now you can see, take a photo of yourself. They will ask you to take a photo of yourself, like a selfie, to verify it's you. Now, once you have done that, it's verified immediately. All right. Proof of residence. This one gave me a lot stress. I will tell you how I did it. I was snapping my light bill. It was not working, so I had to ask my bank for my bank statement. They sent it via email, and then I screenshotted my bank statement and sent it as a picture. All right, that was how I was able to verify my proof of residence. Very easy, very simple. You don't have to start sending PDF file, because it is sometimes not it is sometimes very, very difficult. So you have to be very, very careful around that area. When you are submitting your proof of residence, it might be just difficult for you. So you have to be very careful with that. All right. So once you are done with proof of residence, like I mentioned, for the proof of residence, what you have to do is to use your bank statement. Ask your bank to send you your proof of residence. Tell your bank to send you your bank statement on your email. Then you screenshot it. When you screenshot it, the picture will be on your gallery. You submit it, and that is how you verify your proof of residence. All right. The next one is add a signature. Just write on your screen. You find where you just write on your screen, which is just very easy and simple. And once you've written on your screen, that is the end of that process. All right. Now let's get to the next stage. Once you have passed all your KYC document, then you go. I think you just click on continue, which is down below. So once you click on continue, let's see the next stage. Then you have to put in your income and trading experience. How much do you earn? How do you make your money? That is what they want to ask you. So they want to ask you, how do you make your money? So you click on your income profile. So once you click on the income profile, they will want to interview you to ask your occupation. So here I just put in an ICT consultant, and you can choose just one. So I click on next. Once you click on next, what is your source of wealth? Salary, investment, business, pension, rental, influencing, allowance, or others. Choose any one. So I choose investment. All right. Then click on finish. All right. Very easy. So you can see income profile added successfully. That's all you have to do. Very simple. Then next of kin details, you can use your parents, phone number, and name, relationship, or your brother or your sister, anybody you like. Add their detail there, and it will be able to show. On your next of kin detail, you can put their full name, put their email, put their phone number, and your relationship. Maybe if it's your brother, if it's your sister, you type it there. Simple. And then once you are done, definitely you just click on finish. Okay, once you're done, you click on finish, and that is what you need to do. The next of kin details have been added successfully. All right, now we are coming towards the end of this already. In fact, by this time you're almost done. All right, so the thing is that you click on got it, and then add a withdrawal account. This is skippable. You can just skip this particular one, but you can add a withdrawal account by yourself if you want, or you click on I will do it later. All right, this one is just very easy, and you put in your you can see a domiciliary account is here for you, and your bank account is here for you. For me, I attach my domiciliary account. Okay, if you don't have a domiciliary account, you can attach your bank account. So domiciliary account means a dollar account, and bank account means a Nigerian naira account. Okay, the local account means a Nigerian naira account, and that is just simple. So I've added my domiciliary account. You can find it here. All right. So now, once you are done with this area, your job here is finished. Now this is time to fund your account. So I'm going to just go straight into my account shortly, and let's talk about how to fund your account. A lot of people are complaining that they have not been able to fund their account and all of that. Now this is a fresh account. There is no money on this account, and I want to fund it. All right. So guys, if you want to fund it, I think the very first step is to click on this area where you find wallet. Before you fund, you can see that there's a Naira wallet and there's a dollar wallet. You can fund with dollars and you can also fund with Naira. But the easiest way to fund your account is to click on this place where you find wallet. When you click on wallet, then you can now click on this place where you find fund. Okay. So any funding you have done, you'll find it over here. So I'm going to click on fund. So you can see once I click on fund, next step is to click on this place where you find bank transfer. But for now, bank transfer is having a little bit of issue. Before it doesn't have an issue, but right now I think it's having an issue. All right. So if you click on bank transfer, you'll find an account number that you can pay into. But right now it is not like that, and it is behaving in a funny way. So I'm going to be using this Naira debit card. So you can use your debit card to fund, but let's see what it looks like. So here I want to fund my account with about 3,500 Nairas or so. So let's do it like that. 3,500 Nairas, and I'm just going to click on review order. So once you click on review order, fund with 35, you click on fund with 35. Okay. Now, once you have selected it, the next step is that it's going to bring you to an area where you have to select different options. Now, I've tried all of these options, trust me, and that is why some of them were not able to fund for me. So I selected OP. Cool. Let's try OP. I've never used it before, but I think this one was almost close to working. I'll click on authenticate. Okay. Meanwhile, if you change your mind, you can cancel your payment. If you want to change your payment method, you can click on change payment method. So I'm going to click on authenticate, and once I click on authenticate, it's going to take me straight to my OP app. Now you must have an OP app already in your on your phone, and your OP app must be must be funded with up to 3.5. Click on confirm, and then it's going to take you to your OP app, and then you will be asked to confirm or authenticate the transfer. So once you are here, I'm just going to click on pay, and of course scan with your fingerprint or put in your password, and boom, you have paid. Simple, you have paid. Okay, so I'm going to click on done. Okay, I've been debited. I'm just going to go back to my Optimus app. Let us find out how long it takes to reflect. Okay, this is instantly. I just funded now, so let's see if it's going to appear instantly. Boom, guys. Now I did not even take my time. I did not even stress myself. Simple. All you have to do is to have an OP account, and you'll be able to fund your Optimus by Afri Invest. So in this class, I've shared how to download your Optimus app, how to verify, and how to fund it. Everything took place in less than 15 minutes. In tomorrow's class, I will be sharing how to invest these 3.5 in mutual funds. All right, I'll be sharing how to. In fact, in the next class, I will share how to invest these 3.5 on mutual funds. All right, this is just very simple, very easy, and straight to the point. If you like this video, if it was helpful, give this video a like, and of course, let me know about your experience about downloading, verifying, and of course, funding your account. Let's know what and how it has been difficult or easy for you. See you in tomorrow's class, and make sure you're subscribed and you have liked the video, so you're going to find a lot of more videos that are going to help you navigate through these apps easily. See you on another one, guys, and do have a very wonderful day.